G'day and welcome to this week's client question. My name's Robert Gowdy, and this week we're going to consider a question I've had from a number of clients recently, and that is for people that still own investment properties. They're wondering whether they should wait before they sell. So longer term, their intention is not to own the property. They're wanting to get out, but they're concerned that obviously the property market has come down recently, and they're sort of a bit unsure what to do. Do they wait a year, wait for it to get better? And essentially what I've been telling them is that I don't believe that there's much upside in the property market for the foreseeable future. Now, how long that lasts, well, we don't really know. But given the very high levels of mortgage stress, people are struggling. There's a third of people out there that are struggling to pay their loans on a weekly, monthly, fortnightly basis. That I think waiting, there is potentially more downside than what there is on the upside. So whether it's the status quo and it stays even for the next couple of years, or it goes down, I think down is more than likely the scenario, but I definitely don't think there's going to be some quick resurgence like we might see in a very liquid share market. People will battle on to make sure they retain their properties to keep their mortgages in check, but at some stage, there may well be a flood of properties on the market, particularly for investors. We're always going to look after our homes for our family. That is our security. But if things are tight from a cash flow point of view, the investment property will be the first thing to go. And personally, I wouldn't wait. And even if it meant you've got to cop a little bit of a bit of a negative from a capital gain point of view, take a bit of a loss and move on and assess your investment scenarios moving forward. So that's just my 2 cents on that issue. People, real estate agents and buyers advocates will have differing opinions on that, but obviously each to their own. But I don't see any upside in the short term for the property sector.